Hey folks, welcome to my channel. So in this clip here you see my son enjoying some snow cone in Trinidad. So today I thought I would show you how to make this syrup to apply to some shaved ice at home. So let's see how this is done. So I have here 2 cups of granulated sugar, 1 cup of water, right, and to flavor the syrup I'm going to use Kool-Aid. I have strawberry kiwi and I have pineapple. You could choose any color that you like, and I'll also be adding some food coloring just in case the syrup doesn't look too bright. I'll use the food coloring to get it brightest that I want. So first I'm just going to add the sugar to my saucepan, as you can see here. Then I'm going to add the water. I'm going to put this on the stove and let everything come to a boil. Let the sugar melt. So as you can see here, I'm stirring a bit while the sugar is melting, and I'm waiting for this to come to waiting for the water to come to a boil. As the water comes to a boil, we are going to lower down the heat to medium heat and allow the water to boil for 1 minute. Next, I'm going to allow the syrup to cool a bit, and then I'm going to add the Kool-Aid. Mix that very well. This is such a nice little idea just to make for at home, especially when it's so hot these days in the summer. It's really refreshing. Now I don't really like the color of how this strawberry syrup is looking, so I'm going to add a few drops of the coloring. This is optional. You don't have to do this, but I just felt that I find that it looked a bit too dull. So I want to get a nice bright red color for my strawberry syrup. Kool-Aid is very popular around Carnival season in Trinidad, when we're having a good time and it's so hot. It's just easy to just get a snow cone and just cool you down. So now that my syrup is all made, I have the strawberry kiwi. I also did a pineapple flavored syrup. This one, I love the color of the syrup, so I didn't add any food coloring to this one. And the aroma, the smell of the pineapple syrup is so amazing. I really love how it smells. So I'm going to transfer the syrup to these jars that would allow me to pour the syrup over my shaved ice very easily. It has a nice little lid where I could pour out the syrup. I'm going to put these bottles in the fridge and keep them cool. They will last about an hour, sorry, not an hour, about a month or so in the fridge. So now we're going to make our own little shaved ice, snow cone at home. Right, I have here I did my own little shave ice thingy at home, and I'm just going to apply the strawberry syrup, like you can see here, and then I'm going to also apply some of the pineapple syrup, make it look pretty, and just enjoy. Just enjoy. So refreshing. The syrup looks a bit thick because it was in the fridge, but if you have it at room temperature, it wouldn't be as thick, but it's all good. It's all good.